Now, I would like to explain the events that happened since 2 days. Chess Network tournament has happened in our campus within these 2 days, yesterday and today, with the support of Gap Skills Learning Solutions. About 100 students of RGPT Basel participated in all of the 6 rounds. Each round is of 50 minutes. Swiss League method is followed where rankings are decided based on their performance in each round. Now, I announce all the winners of top 10 and the prize distribution starts now. Are you excited for the winners? Now, I announce the first prize. First prize goes to Ayrala Akash Kumar. I request an honorable Vice Chancellor sir to present the first prize. The first prize is 10,000 cash reward. Please put your hands together. And now the second prize goes to Balav Anil.
Wait.
I request Balav Anil to please come on to the desk. I request our Honorable OSG sir to present the cash prize of rupees 5,000 to the second prize winner. Now the third prize goes to Papa Sharad Chandra. I request Sharad Chandra to please come on to the desk. I request an honorable administrative officer to present the cash prize of rupees 3,000 to the winner.
Sir.
The fourth prize goes to Tarundesh Bindi. I request Honorable Sanjay Sir, President of Chess Network, to present the cash prize of rupees 2,000 to the fourth prize winner. Please encourage your friend with your claps. And now the fifth prize goes to Sarandrilla Karthik. I request Prabhakar Sir, Sports Department of RGPT Basel, to present the cash prize of rupees 1,000 to the fifth prize winner.
Sir.
I request M. Arun Babu, the sixth prize winner, to come on to the dais and collect this prize. And I request Sham Sir, Physical Director, Sports Department, to distribute the prize.
Sir, it you done, sir.
Now I request Pramil Narayan Moda Garu to come on to the dais and collect his prize.
And it will be distributed by Hari Sir from Chess Network.
I request Navneet to come on the dais and collect his prize. It will be distributed by Kiran sir from Chess Network.
Sir, if you don't.
I request somebody to come on to the dais instead of Pramil Narayan Mora to come on to the dais and collect his prize. And it will be distributed by Sahiti ma'am, CEO of Sandbox.
Now we have few chessboard gifts from Chess Network for the support, staff and students, volunteers of RGKD Bassar. Now I request Sanjay sir, President of Chess Network, to present chessboards to Prabhakar sir and Shyam sir from Sports Department of RGKD Bassar.
Sir, if you don't.
Now I request Sanjay sir to present chessboard to Shyam sir, Sports Department of RGKD Bassar. I request Hari Krishna Garu, BC Peshi, to come onto the dais and collect the chessboard from our Honorable VC sir. I request Dr. Vijay Kumar Garu, PRO for RGKD Bassar, to come onto the dais. I request Honorable OSD sir to present chessboard to Vijay Kumar Garu. Now I request Vasanta ma'am to come onto the dais and I request Sarvya ma'am, CEO of Sandbox, to present chessboard to ma'am. Now I request Swapnil sir to come onto the dais and I request Honorable VC sir to present chessboard to Swapnil sir. Now I call upon the student volunteers of RGKD Bassar, Navneet, to come onto the dais and I request VC sir to present chessboard. I also request Pranay to come onto the dais and I request OSD sir to present chessboard to Pranay.
Okay. Our Pranay take this gift. Come, Pranay. They have been supporting since yesterday. They are from the student group. he takes his recognition from OSG, sir. We also want to recognize our two girl anchors. They have been helping us to organize this show since yesterday. Bhanu, E2, she will take recognition from VC sir.
Students.
And Shailaja will take her recognition from OSG sir. Okay, along with these 10 winning prizes, we are also giving certificates to all the participants who participated and played this game. Those participation certificates are with our sports department. They can reach Prabhakar sir and Shyam sir after this program to collect their participation certificates. And there are also 25 raffle, we made raffle for 25 chessboard prizes. They also can be collected from the sports department. We have 10 prizes. 10 prizes. Okay. Any additional prizes will be getting distributed from the sports department. All the dignitaries, they can go and sit in the chair, and we request VC to come and address 2 minutes to congratulate the winners, and also the special matches that we wanted to convey to the chess for all our all the dignitaries, they can go and